Hi, myself, I am R.Bhushan. Welcome to ASG अभिनव स्टडी ग्रुप. एनवायरमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी के इस प्रोग्राम में मैं आपको बताऊंगा डिवीजन ऑफ इकोलॉजी. व्हाट आर द प्रिंसिपल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द डिवीजन ऑफ इकोलॉजी. सो ध्यान से सुनिएगा आप लोग, पेन और पेपर ले के साथ में बैठिए. जब भी मेरा वीडियो सुनिए तो कुछ ना कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट जरूर नोट कर लीजिए. The definition of ecology makes it quite evident that fuller understanding of nature involves the study of plants, animals, and their environment. There are three principal aspects. Of ecological studies. Number one, taxonomic groups. Second, habitat. Third, levels of organization. Number one is taxonomic group. Second is habitat. Third is levels of organization. So there is a three main division of ecology. Number one is based on taxonomic groups. In early days of ecology, botanists and geologists engaged themselves separately in the study of ecology of plants and animals respectively. This led to the development of such division as plant ecology and animal ecology. Animal ecology. In such, there may be a taken specialized field like ecology of pines, insect ecology, avian ecology, bacterial ecology, and ecology of mosquitoes, turtle, etc. However, modern ecologists feel that the principles in the study of plants and animals are not only much similar, but these are the two groups of the organizations very much inseparably interrelated with each other. Therefore, modern ecology prefers not to make much distinction between ecology of plants and animals. The term ecology indeed includes the interrelationship and interdependencies of all kinds of organisms with their environment. Based on habitat, some ecologists thought of the study of habitats and their effects upon the organism. There are selected of a number of different types of habitats such as freshwater, marine, estuarine, grassland, forest, land, etc. These are then studied in the detail for the possible relationship with the kinds of organism present there. Such a habitat approach led to the development of different divisions of ecology known as habitat ecology. Whatever the sources I am telling you, this is I have taken from the PDC, my ecology book. Based on levels of organization, with such an approach to the ecology, units of study are either individual organism or group of organism. According to the other division of ecology are Ecology and synecology. Ecology, this is known as the ecology of individual. Ecology, ecology of individual, where we study the relation of individual species of its environment. Therefore, at a given time, emphasis is given on the requirements and reaction of an individual species together with the influence of environment upon it. With an Ecological approach, individual species are the units of study. These are studied for details of their geographic distribution, morphology, taxonomic position, and life cycle, etc., along with the various ecological factors which might influence different stages of their life cycle. Synecology. Under natural condition, however, organisms, plants, animals, microbes, etc. live together as a natural group affecting each other's life in several ways. Therefore, more complex situations exist where the units of study instead of single organism or groups of organisms known as community. Such an approach where units of study or groups of organisms is called synecological approach. Depending upon the levels of organization, synecology may deal with population, community, biome, and ecosystem. What is population ecology? The units of study are pure stands of individual of a single species population. Wherever the single species like human population, animal population, birds population, single species. As a result of aggregation of these individuals, it becomes desirable to study interdependency between them, and the population are studied in the terms of size, growth rates, etc., which are chiefly governed by the interactions of member of population. Therefore, population ecology is the study of such and other similar relationship of a group of organism. Other is relationship of group of organism. The main job of population ecologist is why is this population of a particular density? Why is this population of a particular density? To answer this, another question is study competition usually between population from the same trophic level herbivores competing from same grass. Population ecology is also concerned with communities. A population ecologist also studies interactions between population of different species in community. For instance, the study of prey-predator interactions between members of adjacent trophic levels of a community. Community ecology, community ecology, community ecology. In contrast with the population ecology, here the units of study of the groups of individuals belonging to different species, plants as well as animals. The living biotic components of the community are studied mainly for the nature of interdependencies between individuals of different species. तो बायोम क्या है? Different species living together. Major concern of the community ecologists were why is this community of a particular diversity? Why does a particular community occur at a given location? How communities interact and how these change through time. Biome ecology, biome ecology, biome ecology, biome ecology, biome ecology, biome ecology. In nature, we generally find that there may exist a complex of more than one communities, some in their climax stages, another in different stages of succession. And these all communities grow under more or less similar climatic condition in area. Therefore, in biomes, as units of study, there are study interactions between different communities. In biomes, as units of study, there are study interactions between different communities. Ecosystem ecology. It has been recent development in ecology. It is established that not only living but also non-living abiotic components, living, biotic, non-living abiotic components of the nature interact with each other. These interacting biotic and abiotic components then interact with each other to form interacted system, ecosystem, ecological complex or ecological system. Therefore, it becomes the most complicated synecological approach to the ecology of an area where the units are whole system, living as well as non-living components. Here, we mainly emphasize the similarities and differences in food relationship among living organisms that various forms of energy supporting their life. This has also been referred to as a bioenergetic approach in modern ecology. Ecosystem ecology therefore emphasizes the movements of energy and nutrients among the biotic and abiotic components of ecosystem. A major concern is how much and what rates are energy nutrients being stored and transferred between components of an ecosystem. So my dear student, I hope so. You are hearing and writing some important fact again and again. Here it's very very important to my video and 26 December, a new batch of Science Tech Environment Ecology सिखाने, याद कराने और लिखने की गारंटी देता हूँ. थैंक यू.